Students, today we are going to study standard 10th subject Yoga, Health and Physical Education, lesson 11, Kabaddi. Introduction of Kabaddi. Kabaddi has a prominent place in all the popular and prevalent games. It is specially played in Gujarat, Rajasthan, Andhra Pradesh, Bengal and Madhya Pradesh. These games origin or source is Gujarat and Maharashtra. The basic skills are to swiftly hold or catch the opponent and to get away from the hold and holding the breath. This game was regulated and organized by rules, and systematic competitive tournaments were started by the players of Satara and Pune in year 1912. Then in year 1923, Hind Vijay Gymkhana of Baroda, and in 1934, Maharashtra Physical Education Board, Pune, arranged the competition tournaments with revised and improved rules. As a result, in 1938, Kabaddi was included in Indian Olympic Games and got the status of national games. In year 1952, National Kabaddi Federation of India was established. In 1956, women Kabaddi competition started, and in 1961 it was given the place in inter-university games. In year 1936, in Berlin Olympic, Hanuman Vyayam Pracharak Mandal, Amravati gave the demonstration of Kabaddi for popularizing this game at the world level. But till today, this game has not got the competitive status in Olympic, has not got the status of sports event. National Kabaddi Championship started in 1952. Today, Kabaddi from a big playground given has become an indoor or outdoor game in small ground. Kabaddi is a very interesting and thrilling, exciting game. The ground is made soft to avoid the injury to the player. Now it is played on mattresses. This game is very energetic, healthy and inexpensive since its inclusion in Asian Games. Till today, in India has maintained the championship title. As it requires very less equipments, less space or ground, and as require quickness, alertness and energy, as it develop presence of mind, body, soul and team spirit, attract everyone, old and young. The equipments. Mattress, whistles, stopwatch, a marking thread and chalk, scoreboard, red, green and yellow cards. Game times. For senior and junior boys, first 20 minutes half, then 5-minute break, then second 20-minute half. Second, for girls and sub-junior boys, first 50-minute half, then 5-minute break, then second 50-minute half. Ground for men, senior and junior boys. विद्यार्थी जी स्टूडेंट्स, आप स्लाइड में देख रहे हो जो ग्राउंड लेंथ ऑफ द ग्राउंड 13 meters and width of the ground 10 meters जो यहाँ आपको दिखाई दे रही है. Then distance between end line to center line to end line distance 6.50 meter. End line to center line distance 6.50 meter. Then center line to cross line, that means buck line 3.75 meter. Center line to buck line distance 3.75 meter. Then cross line to bonus line 1 meter. The cross line to bonus line 1 meter distance. Then bonus line to end line distance 1.75 meter. Lobby should be 1 meter broad and 13 meter long from ground line on both sides. Here also you see the lobby. Okay. Then waiting block. It should be 2 meter away from both the end line. 2 meter away from end line. This is waiting block. Its measurement is 8 meters length. Its length is 8 meters and width 1 meter. And width 1 meter. Then next slide, ground for women and sub-junior boys. Length of the ground, length 11 meters and width 8 meters. 8 meter width. Then distance between end line to center line 5.50 meter. Distance between end line to center line. This is the end line and this is the center line. Distance in between end line to center line 5.50 meter. Okay. Then distance between center line to cross line, that means buck line 3 meter. The center line to buck line distance 3 meter. Then cross line to bonus line, buck line to bonus line 1 meter distance. Then bonus line to end line 1.50 meter distance. Yani bonus line to end line distance 1.50 meter. Lobby should be 1 meter broad and 11 meter long from ground line on both sides. This is here lobby 11 meter length and 1 meter broad. Downside also. Lobby here. Then waiting block. It should be 2 meter away from both end line. Here the end line to waiting block 2 meter distance. Its measurement is 6 meter in length. Length is 6 meter and 1 meter width. Width is 1 meter. Dear students, ग्राउंड के बारे में जानकारी लेने के बाद we will see skill of Kabaddi. There are mainly two skills in Kabaddi. First, riders, like offender skills. Second, anti-riders, and defender skill. Skill of riders to touch with leg. Second, breaking, cover, and third, to chase. First skill, to touch with leg. The rider goes in the opponent's court, chatting a word Kabaddi. He steadily, swiftly tries to touch the opponents by stretching his leg. ये स्टूडेंट आप ये लेफ्ट हैंड साइड जो फर्स्ट फिगर है आप देख सकते हो टू टच विथ लेग. Second skill, break the cover. To break the cover, the defender are ready in many ways to cover the rider. Then the rider quickly tries to touch opponent by stretching his hand or leg. While the defender try to catch him, the rider jump over and get out of the cover or break the chain and tries to get away from side or from below. This skill is called as to breaking the cover. यहाँ मिडल फिगर में देख रहे हो to break the cover. The next, third skill, to chase. When the rider has completed his legal ride and while returning to his court and his back towards the opponent's court, then an opponent's rider suddenly chase and quickly touch him with leg or hand and safely reach his court. This skill requires speed, jump, increases the speedy motion or to stop it. Now today we are stop here. Next point we will be seen in next lecture part 2. Thank you.